My name is Ayango Deborah from Kumi District, Ongino Sub-County, Chele Parish, Obeler Village. I got to know Gudie Leisure Farm by my local leaders. They came to the village and they collected girls, and I was among the best. Ever since I step here, the environment is good and I'm enjoying life here. I'm doing aquaculture, and ever since I've enjoyed aquaculture, I know how to dig a pond. I know how to manage the pond and fingerings, and I've learned the feeds, how to feed them, and I've touched even breeding them. I know how to differentiate the female and the male catfish. Today I've learned about gold ladder. According to gold ladder, this is the step-by-step where you have to set your business, how you're going to run your business, how you're going to manage the fingerlings, from the fry to the fingerlings up to there are other creative things like creating those beads and making those sanitary pads, and even we are doing computer from here. When I go back, I'm going to collect them, then I teach them what I've got from Gudie Leisure Farm, and give them also to feel like to step beside Gudie Leisure Farm to see more. And I'm going to work with them hand in hand to see we shall build a beautiful Pela Asi Chile.